Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now. So this one is actually sent out to me from a company, which you guys probably already know. So the company's name is Jsaux, or Jsaux, whatever you want to say. It's basically using the dock that you see right here. You may not be able to see, but you can see the colors going on. If you hear noise in the background, that's basically because my fan is going off on my computer and it needs to be changed. One of the cylinders on the fan is I think it's damaged, so it's time for replacement fans like that. So sorry about that noise in the background. If y'all can hear it, I can't do nothing until I actually, fix everything. But at no further ado, bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox these shit. And we didn't need to do that. Okay, yeah, so there we go right here. So as you can see from Jsaux right here, this was sent to me by Jsaux, because basically this is going to be a how-to video and a test video. So the reason why is I reached out to them because I was asking them about this dock also. Okay guys, so if you guys don't know, I'm actually doing a test video for Jsaux. So basically what's happening is, if you have the Legion Go and the Legion Go 2, basically the USB ports is at the bottom of the actual handheld. And so when you want to use a double monitor, like basically a triple monitor, so basically using the Legion Go or Legion Go 2 with a external monitor up top or another one on the side, basically a triple monitor setup, if you want to, you have to buy a Pacific dock, which is basically this. I didn't want to buy this, but I wound up buying it. On top of it, they said they didn't have a review unit, so that's what wound up happening. But what wound up happening is, I was waiting for this to come, and I can show you guys if I find a dock. Here we go. So this is the dock I was basically using for this. So the only other way for me to be able to use the dock, or be able to use it on, be able to put it down underneath, or be able to use it up top, you have to basically get another type of cord, which is a flexible cord. Like get a flex one, put it here, cut up your stuff, or just put something right here so your handheld can sit on top of it. That's basically the thing. So what I asked them was, can they send this out for me so I could do an experiment test? So you don't have to go out and spend $85 on this. You can get this dock right now from Jsaux. Not this. The one right here, if you watch my previous video, is on sale right now for about, what is it, $85 right now. The original price I think is $110, $125 I think. They have a sale, but if you get it on Amazon, you can get it for $69 right now. So yeah. So I told them I'm just going to do this because I do have a Switch too, but I want to see if I can actually do it with this. And yeah, so they sent it out to me. So let's unbox this thing real quick. There we go. Okay, there we go. So if y'all don't know, I already have a dock like this. This is basically the same exact one like the D brand dock that I have for my Nintendo Switch. So if you can see right here, sorry about that guys. So if you see right here, I have the D brand dock right here. There we go. So right here, here's the D brand dock right here. So I've been using this for a while. This dock actually goes inside here. This is specifically made for the Nintendo Switch 2. So one thing you do is take this and you pop this, I believe, inside the dock. I believe it's that way or that way. I'm not completely sure. I believe it goes this way. Well, we don't need to do that because that's not the whole point of the video. We already know this is for the Nintendo Switch 2. So we already know about that. That's not the point of the video. The point of the video is basically for this. So take that, take this cord, pop it in like that, and this will go, I guess, wherever you want to put it at. Then we have this little silicone dock right here, specifically for that. Take that, pop this in the bottom like this, like that. Put this in at the bottom. My thing is, I am gonna mess with this so this don't come up, and I'm gonna put some glue in here or double-sided tape just to get it raised up, probably about like right there, or probably move it back to somewhere like here or wherever I can figure out the dock part is to the Legion Go. The reason why I'm not doing it right now because I currently got something connected towards it right now, but I'm gonna mess with this for a few. I am gonna have a review video about this, so I just need to figure out where the location is gonna be at. Got your vents and stuff right here for it to breathe, and that's basically it, like that. So this is specifically for docks like that. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace.